Welcome to Autos Insight, your trusted source for car tech reviews, product recommendations, and driving essentials that matter. Today's topic is one that's becoming more important every year: dash cams, specifically the best ones with night vision capabilities. Whether you're commuting daily, driving for rideshare, or just want extra protection on the road, a dash cam with excellent low-light performance is a smart investment. Night vision is critical because many accidents and incidents occur in low-light conditions, and you need a camera that can capture clear, usable footage even in darkness. Let's start with one of the top-rated options, Viofo A129 Pro Duo 4K. It offers front and rear coverage with high-resolution 4K video up front and Full HD in the rear. The standout feature is its Sony Starvis image sensor, which excels in low-light environments. Even at night, license plates and road details remain visible. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi, GPS logging, and motion detection for parked car surveillance. Next up is the Nextbase 622 GW, a premium choice known for its advanced features and 4K video recording. What makes this dash cam shine at night is its enhanced night vision mode, powered by a larger image sensor and HDR processing. It adjusts to changing light conditions in real time, delivering clearer nighttime footage. It also offers emergency SOS and Alexa built-in, making it a tech-forward option for drivers who want smart functionality. Another solid performer is the Garmin Dashcam 67W, which features a wide 180-degree field of view and Garmin Clarity HDR for night vision. While it's compact and easy to install, it still delivers crisp nighttime images and includes voice control, GPS, and incident detection. It's perfect for those who prefer a minimal look with solid performance. For those on a tighter budget, Apex Cam M80 Pro is an excellent value pick that still includes night vision, front and rear recording, and waterproof construction for outdoor rear cameras. It's not true 4K, but it provides high-definition video with infrared night vision, loop recording, and G-Sensor protection. It's a great entry-level option if you want security without spending too much. Another great contender is the Blackview DR900X2 CH+, which offers 4K up front and 1080p in the rear with Sony Starvis sensors in both. It has one of the best parking modes on the market, cloud connectivity, and outstanding night video clarity. It's especially useful for fleet vehicles, luxury cars, or anyone serious about video quality around the clock. So, what should you look for in a dash cam for night vision? Focus on cameras with Sony Starvis sensors, HDR or WDR capabilities, and a wide dynamic range. These features help the camera adjust to low light, headlights, and sudden glare. Also, check for features like GPS tracking, loop recording, G-Sensor impact detection, and parking surveillance. Whether you're protecting your daily commuter or recording road trips, a good dash cam adds peace of mind and could make a crucial difference if an incident occurs. And with night vision, you're protected 24/7. Thanks for tuning in to Autos Insight. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews, driving tech breakdowns, and honest product guides.